things I've been meaning to tell you. There's things that I've just got to say. So let's go for a walk, somewhere quiet to talk. Maybe you'll see it my way. I know what we have is worth having, and I know what's ahead is worth more. So let's go for a walk, somewhere quiet to talk. We'll see just what life's got in store. So walk me over this bridge, the river so deep and so wide. Just walk me over the bridge, my darling. Please be my place to hide. Just walk